Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Shopify. Manage your online store step by step clearly. Open your web browser on your computer or mobile device. Type Shopify.com in the address bar and press enter. Click the login button at the top right of the Shopify homepage. If you already know your store URL, you can also type your store name, Shopify.com/admin directly. On the login page, enter the email address connected to your Shopify account. Click Continue to move to the next step. Enter your Shopify account password carefully. Click Login to access your account. If you have two-step authentication enabled, check your phone or authenticator app for the code. Enter the verification code exactly as shown. If Shopify asks to confirm it is you, approve the login request on your device. If you manage multiple stores, choose the correct store from the store list. Wait for the Shopify admin dashboard to load fully. Look at the left sidebar to find the main menu sections. Click Home to see your store overview and recent activity. Click Orders to view new orders, fulfillments, and payment status. Click Products to add new products or edit existing product details. Click Customers to review customer information and purchase history. Click Analytics to track sales, traffic, and conversion performance. Click Marketing to create campaigns and connect channels like email or social ads. Click Discounts to create discount codes and automatic promotions. Click Online Store to customize your theme and manage pages, blog posts, and navigation. Click Apps to install tools for shipping, reviews, and automation. Click Settings at the bottom left to manage payments, shipping, taxes, and store details. To keep your account secure, avoid logging in on public computers when possible. If you must use a shared device, use a private window and never save your password. When you are finished, click your account name or avatar in the top right. Select Log Out to safely sign out of Shopify. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.